Hello kids. Welcome back to our fun learning channel. Today we are going to learn something super cool. It's called artificial intelligence, or simply AI. Do you know what AI means? AI stands for artificial intelligence. That means machines or computers that can think and learn like humans. Yes, just like you and me. Have you ever talked to your phone? Like saying, "Hey Google," or "Siri." That's AI. These smart assistants listen to you and answer your questions. When you play video games and the computer plays against you, that's AI. Self-driving cars, that's AI too. Even YouTube suggests videos you like, that's also AI. AI learns from data and experience. Just like you learn from your teacher and parents, AI learns from information given to it. The more it learns, the smarter it becomes. Some AI looks like robots, but not always. AI can live inside computers, phones, games. So, AI doesn't always have a body. Can AI feel emotions like humans? Nope. AI can think and learn, but it cannot feel happy or sad like you. Wow! Today we learned about AI. AI is everywhere and makes our life easier and more fun. See you in the next video, kids. Keep learning and keep smiling. Don't forget to subscribe and watch more fun learning videos on our channel.